Hello everyone and welcome to Optimal Movement Method. Today we are going to discuss 4 common mistakes while doing lunges. Lunges are a great lower body functional exercise. It targets your quads, glutes, hams and also stability. So now let's have a look at the common mistakes people make while performing lunges. First is landing hard. There can be two reasons for this, either the person purely not paying attention to it or lacks strength and stability to do this movement. In both cases, all the impact from the landing is not being absorbed by the muscles and you're putting your joints at risk, especially your knee and foot. It will also force your knee to travel too far, causing undue stress on the knee joint and tendons. So instead, start doing a static or a reverse lunge and build up strength to do a forward lunge better. In my next video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide to perfect a lunge and its progression. Second is narrow stance. Everyone will agree they start the exercise with feet hip width apart. But what happens when you go into a lunge position? Is your foot going straight back or inwards? You need to check it and fix it, as it causes two problems. It will make your front knee turn inwards. Why? Because this position will rotate your pelvis, which will force the front knee to move inwards. Second, it will make your lunge position unstable as base area will be reduced, which may lead to compensation and altered technique. So maintain the stance distance to keep the knee position correct, and which brings us to our third point, which is knee position. One mistake we just pointed out is the knee turning inwards, which can be corrected by the foot and pelvis position. Second is to make sure the knee doesn't go too forward. The ideal position while doing a lunge would be somewhere between the ankle and toes. If it goes too forward, your knee joint and the patella tendon will undergo undue stress. If your knee is moving too backwards as you come up from the lunge position, it indicates that there is shifting of body weight on the back leg. This reduces the work of the front leg muscles and we don't gain much benefit from the exercise. Last is the back knee position. Keeping the back knee almost straight while doing a lunge. The problem is, if you don't bend the back knee, you will not get enough range for the front leg to train. Your movement will be limited to a short range. So be mindful of these 4 points and lunge better. Next video I'll be demonstrating a step-by-step guide to lunges and its progression. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you liked the video, do let me know by giving a thumbs up and a comment. Stay fit, keep going, love life.